Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hello friends, welcome back to Electropixels. In today's repair video, we have a higher 50-inch LED TV. The original motherboard in this TV was faulty, so we replaced it with a compatible alternate motherboard. Although the replacement board powered up the TV successfully, it introduced a new issue. The display appeared upside down. This is a common problem when using an alternate motherboard because different TV panels require different panel configuration settings. Fortunately, the issue can be corrected through the TV's factory service menu, without any hardware modifications. To access the factory menu, press the menu button on the remote and then enter 1147. The first setting I changed was the standby mode, switching it to direct power on. This ensures the TV powers on automatically whenever AC power is restored, which is especially useful after a power outage. Next, I opened the panel settings and changed the mirror option from mirror to normal. This updates the panel configuration to match the installed display and restores the image to the correct orientation. After saving the settings, I restarted the TV. As you can see, the picture is now displayed perfectly, confirming that the motherboard and panel are working together correctly. The repair is now complete, and the TV is ready to be delivered to the customer. If this video helped you learn something new, please like, share, and subscribe to Electropixels. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you practical LED TV repair tutorials. Troubleshooting techniques, and professional service tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. ****